Y'all, we almost there. I'm proud. I'm proud. If you are new to the channel, my name is Siobhan from Parkers on Go. I am one half of that channel. The other half is my husband Brandon, who is not here. And if you're wondering if he's not here, how is the car moving? Well, let me show you. She's driving. She's getting the hours in so she get a license. So Shay's gonna drive me around today while we're doing some Instacart. We'll shop along the way, and we'll just have some fun with it today. We'll have a little bit of fun. One thing I did want to bring up, look, Debbie already got the Christmas tree cakes out. I saw a whole little train feature section in the grocery store. So it was like a Christmas train, and it had all these little Debbie Christmas snack cakes. It was just, we ain't even got a Halloween or Thanksgiving yet. It's just weird how this thing works. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and make our first delivery. I already shopped it, and we'll go from there. So we will see you guys in a bit. Bye. We're doing a shop order at Costco, and look at the deer. They're so pretty. I love them. The trees are beautiful, but honey, $1,200 for a Christmas tree. I will put this in the front yard though. That's pretty. And I've always looked for a good nativity scene. They got some nice. I might have to get a Costco membership. No, you're fine. Yeah, I might have to get a Costco membership but it's so far.
It's a little drive.
Yeah.
I've never sure it's over.
They just opened it. I think like the end of last year they just opened it. So the other one is like deep in the middle of Raleigh. So this one is like the closest one to our house. It does. All right, let's go shop this order. We did our first ever Costco run. Well, this is my second. The first was Shay. But it was so much easier than the first because the first one I didn't know where anything was. And basically, Instacart was like, girl, you okay? Because you ain't scanned nothing in a while. I was like, I couldn't find anything. So I've been like avoiding doing Costco. But the tip was on it. It was good. And then I was like, if I got an extra set of eyes, it might make it easier. So we did Costco. And now we're going to go to Chick-fil-A and get us something to eat real quick. And then we're going to go and drop the order off. All right.
6 hours later.
Brandon, what we doing? Didn't we just come here last night?
So we've been having a little trouble with our HVAC where like it's really cold in the morning and the heat's not kicking on.
Yeah.
So I'm here to buy new air filters to see if maybe that's the problem.
I hope that's the problem.
I really hope that's the problem.
All right. So let's go find some air filters.
Yeah, we've been in that house for
1 year.
18 months. We should not be having HVAC issues.
Should not.
It's a brand new build.
Right.
Shouldn't be having HVAC issues.
No.
So hopefully this solves the problem.
Yes.
Or else I'm gonna have to call somebody. It might get expensive.
We don't want to call nobody.
No, I really don't.
If we got to call somebody, then that means that's a cruise we can't take.
You know, I don't want to call nobody. You know it's better if I'm trying to figure it out on my own.
I know.
A few moments later.
All right, so we're watching Tony and Rachel's replay because we had a meeting during their live. So sorry we missed you, but congratulations on 1K. Yay! Yay! Congratulations, Tony and Rachel. So Brandon, in the meantime, has a package.
I do have a package.
I got a package. Yeah.
So when we were on the Enchantment of the Seas,
Yes.
I was looking for an Invicta watch. I saw an Invicta Spider-Man watch, and it was just the dopest watch.
Yes.
But they didn't have it. And the guy who was helping us, I wish for the life I could remember his name because he was so incredibly. You remember?
No.
But he was so incredibly helpful and friendly. The staff on the Enchantment of the Seas is the best staff that we've ever had.
Yeah. They were amazing.
They went out of their way almost every single night and day. But he was saying on the last sailing there was a Black Panther watch, Invicta Black Panther watch. He said they had just sold out in the last sailing. He said he wanted it for himself actually. So I was like, man, I really got to have me an Invicta Black Panther watch. All right, so let's go ahead and open. It's something about opening up the package. It's just It's something about it.
Something about opening up a personal present for yourself.
Yeah, yeah.
Especially when it's something you don't do for yourself often. So
Right.
you deserve it.
And this was regular, like, this is like a regular $360 watch
Yes.
that I was able to get for $50.
50 whole dollars.
So, just
it's an unboxing.
it is an unboxing. So, and I don't wear casual watches. I just wear my smartwatch. So this is something new for me, but I love what I love.
Are you gonna wear it to the preview to Wakanda Forever? Okay.
Also, if anybody can find a Black Panther mask that lights up, let me know so I can know where to find it.
Oh boy.
Just like, it's like the Spider-Man one I wanted, except this one Black Panther. I want to see if somebody can find it for me.
Okay, cool.
Shout out to Ray from Team Reese because I know he's a watch guy. And I am not a watch guy, but this is too good to pass up. It's a big face. I'm going to go ahead and...
This is a big watch. A big face.
Ooh.
Oh, wee.
This is... and maybe Ray can put me up on game because...
Let me see it. Jesus, heavy. Wow, that's pretty.
Because I was asking Siobhan... Are you recording?
Yes.
I was asking Siobhan, like, what is like 50.5 millimeters mean? And she was like, I don't know. I was like, okay, well, I'm just going to buy it. So maybe Ray can sit down with me and go over.
Well, put it next to your watch. Like, put it next to the watch you have. Like, put it right beside my watch. So you can kind of compare.
Ooh. I don't know where I'm wearing this bad boy to. This is like one of those Power Rangers.
Yeah. Not in morphin time.
Yeah, it's morphin time.
But it's nice. It's heavy, too.
It is heavy.
Yeah, it's a nice watch. Well, I'm happy you're happy.
I'm going to put this bad boy on.
Oh, what's wrong with you? Oh. Why people keep getting me with stuff like that?
I have no idea. Man, I haven't worn a regular watch. Don't forget all the ash. I have naturally dry skin.
Nobody sees that.
This is nice.
It is nice.
I don't know if y'all can get like the true, but it's purple, obviously for Black Panther, and then the mask is
Like a titanium.
yeah. It feels good.
Looks good. It's a nice watch. Sammy,
Now,
did he not buy you one?
Oh, I bought you something. You may not like it, but I bought you something. But yeah, I really like this watch. So I think I'm just gonna start collecting like Marvel Invicta watches.
Oh, that's nice.
That's the thing I can have. I mean,
Yeah. Oh yeah. And guys, what do we collect on cruises? Like, I don't. Are we collecting the watches on cruises? Is that your collector item thing?
only if it's Marvel.
I thought about collecting like ship models to put in the background of
We've been
our.
saying that for the
but-
last like 4 or 5 cruises.
It's gonna be a waste of time because I wanted to put it in the background when we do our lives, but we don't have like shelves to mount them on the wall, and I'm not about to try to mount them, and we're not about to pay nobody to mount no shelves. So it's like, I guess we could though.
We have a new thing over here that you can put them in, right? Is that not a...
Yeah, but
case?
are we taking that upstairs? We won't have nowhere to put it.
I don't know, Siobhan. You figure it out. You're the idea person.
Y'all see what I go through?
I say you're the idea person. That's me giving you props.
Thank you. I appreciate it. It is nice. Well, I'm gonna let him enjoy his watch because apparently they're having the best time over there without me. Bingo is down for his nap, as you can see. It's time for him to go night night.
He just ate.
He just ate, so it's time for him to go to sleep. And Sammy's gonna walk until nobody else is walking because she just don't know how to be restless. She don't know how to rest. But I'm surprised she's sitting now. Anyway,
I'm going into more detail about this watch tomorrow. I'm seeing some stuff. You see the seconds. They got
a second egg.
They got seconds inside the watch.
Oh, okay.
I'll go ahead and look for my next one right now.
All right, well, while he does that, I'm going to bid you guys good night because, first of all, I got to edit this video and get it out. And I say this every night, and I never get out before 12. So if I go now, I might have a chance. So we will see you guys next time. And thank you for joining us. And what do we say?
Parker's out.